morning, y'all. It's Vlogtober, so I haven't actually vlogged yet. So here's me vlogging, because I already had some content that I already had planned and created. But I'm sitting here thinking, like, I came into work today. Y'all was ready. I'm cute. You know what I'm saying? And I left my work computer at home. So I had to pivot and do something else with my students where they use their computers. And they just been complaining all day. Nobody listening. And I'm just over it. I'm sitting here eating my cauliflower tacos for lunch. Got about 10 minutes till they come back. So yeah. I don't even know what else I'm gonna show y'all today because I don't have anything to do. Like, a very uneventful day. And I can't even make my, I guess I can do my lesson plans, but I left my stuff at home. And I'm having a good day, but the kids are draining me. So, during my planning, I need to do my lesson plans and stuff. But I probably won't do it until tomorrow. I don't know what I'm gonna do during my planning. I don't know, grade papers or something. Ooh, rack up the score. This is my game right here. No, it was her.
Is she playing?
Nah.
Dang. I just got so excited that I couldn't believe.
She didn't catch the prize, count in spirit.
I done played this game so many times.
DJ got the jackpot, over 3,000 tickets.
Wow.
Bro, we might get something off the wall.
And I almost didn't play.
You was about to play that game.
I was gonna play that one.
Hey, that's how we was in church on Sunday.
Bro.
Is that Harper holding a baby? Holding a little baby?
Wings had him down low.
This sign is so petty. You'll be like, you were so close. Petty.
You got to be kidding me. I mean, that's nice, but no, that was supposed to be a fair, and then
You got 100.
100 on the dot, though.
You said you had to break 100. Good morning, y'all. I forgot to close out my vlog, last night, as you saw, we went bowling with the Olivers and Shari and the kids. It was really fun. We played games and went bowling, had a little bit to eat and drink, and we went home. Had the club going up on a Tuesday. That was really fun. It's great to have friends that want to hang out with you in the middle of the week with their kids. And the girls don't have school tomorrow or today because it's a teacher work day, so they're at home chilling. But thank you all so much for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so that you know when I'm posting new videos, but I'm posting them every day this month. So lock in and stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.